But me join and watch in Facebook no and some Sompa 93.1 FM our branding in no power Daruma ayabamori and so like Kayem Pedro Bashan and Predobia won some abaso shine out to messages in no and some adia toso adiabana radio no and so 93.1 FM nano peno yet foreign and some animal na diamense kan nyina no say okay some be a drum medabatu just a player o sinakai and some adama Al Hilal I fan say Neymar sika J and said your name and so bought just a year too much as I know a year last season amateurs and Emma Jessica not just I know some also here planning you know yadi can about to just a name no will be a man for the Kalen can say beer what was some about me Johnny your Messi and a Buscatanum and he'll be a Suarez and a Jordi Alba and some more in Miami our Bravo Kaya made about to just a name no report to the chance Odiba Bia Onion I can say one of Kwasina Kanyama Bobokua your father say in Miami and I don't pay no. And that story is a say, or Robert could be a father say Gustavo Zubac. I know, and the other just for no day. Say be a name, Abako, I am a jolly soccer was some and your priority. And some from my name, essence, name and Nigeria Bassa League now. Woman up our shoes, no, what did you Bassa competition, our form a week, and it is one name and also qua. Not just as I said, I come up our number all retire and some answer. Not what did you Bassa awesome now no and ya say be assurance and so ya edemano na obaso popo on onuru be afei and be our quotati kakra bi a just one betimi abo aye comparative game to Neymar de diamense kan nyina no say na me no ka say no wo mo so assurance anya priority and some ama Neymar ne mom ada report so tro say anya say be a bobo kwaba no say aye Inter Miami and kwesa say no pay no me te say yesem oni teams ni bi and some adin koma e wa bra asom now report amenya say teams no metesa makoma kom yensa bidie womo som ane name akasa bako aye Chicago Fire omo team no ensom ane name akasa ewa bra nyina no ye be kwaso monitor sere ye nyoma ensom na besia kwa ewa bra no pay no ye de aye update no ensom atema na mame mfanto wonim say na ye wo Real Madrid omo no South Africa womo som na game ana eba so na say die ye say am say akroma de hwebe kumako na basa Zamza, woman for Real Madrid, and your she. Na and then Madrid, and a Bobo Cravens a Sauta, woman came on 8:30. And on some match and Abaso Refina, one of some other commono, you found Jose Luis Munwara Montero, I know, and I'm for the second way, and some Adaman and Ra, woman training session, and in your Mabini Chas and Yoma. I was some Amoki Kabamina, I know some at me Basso. Now, Okasano Permanent two can say, and no, I broke Kabasa coach now. You found Carlo Ancelotti, Ayan Jumadia, and I have press conference, and I some P, and some other buy. Now, and all good details are. Jamison can say inside this, no, yes, every mom. At the Eba, na Jomo Canning now some other say, yes, Ancelotti say, one way title. Now, the moment you be a Casabia, bro, and a Samano, what kind of backo? No academy no academy and sasto dia na ya nipa ebebre obena de sem pafri na koi ebia menka wansem yem nyina no yese many janum na wagide bi se asema ono ebe catch players no em say boys no bi emfa nya adwuma o ka the last time me de betu jata so mo lose game and some our air classic no mo and a revelation about say players no bi etiri eba say manager why you soft edema bi mo edu bi mo so dia no ha hanani and na yese manager no so say I'm saying what brown could understand some could be woman so ding walker no be I mean yes many January what did you say one can say dictate one said defensively more problem not just a Real Madrid or match no you said ta watch them what dear was some ye no some can be a boy see and some abe sutie nan can be oh a yate a job and some abe many January can you know boys no to purchase no yes, and one. I'm a manager. Say, may test one. I have fed up. Our bread can be, and I just am a timino. Woman, some anti-me responding. Okay, yes, and maybe a transaction some few weeks ago, and on some okay, or for some Mijatovic. Omunino, woman, about Timmy Payne. Now, Mijatovic, I became some month ago. I to just say, would you Real Madrid a rumor? And also, Morocco, Massa. I just kind of say lack of a connection. And no, and a yajuma, Ebia page and so and about say ebi as a Jude anyway edin komosere as when some anyway kasa na mum yase connection of the page anywho enom and dead our page no so ama born na was kwara ne timi born nyina no wo som antimi mo na adeba ko ha manager ye fa no say Ancelotti enie manager ne gire ba say tim no enye complete said ye bia mpanifo ne bi ensom ase hono no na mum abre bi onom ebe making a request to say ebi ayenko fa so mesi and I say we are Brenton Emra no and by also master team na ya and kweda omo ya stars player ben ni ball chain yen kweda omo wa hi enti asem bia manager no so be ka bia no ya na Florentino nom emo som number so de be ya dwuma our transfer market ni mo na deminya no say wo mo giri em say bia kweda na fa no say Alphonse Davis no and some ebenya be sense nei ebi mo giri e ba so waka ane and some na dia cha Madrid Alfonso and okay, say everyone I'm never to say Arnold Ediano says the Aquacodru say Wababa Real Madrid enti Anyabiano Bobo Craven say Liverpool Mobajis can say CA and now some train I'm a boy in Yamiama summer one on some upper story I'm a demo and run on a pretend second in say woman say I am patrol do I no crown of a spin for no woman some Asha report Jomo Canning on some boy no what in a word at Jama Madrid and I'm a catch roll now I am matter of Anyabia January and I say be a Yamiama summer and I say Adiano and some Nabasia Amano Casanino and some I update to Elba Netia could not find say Gavi what say Gavi a player and some other boss Emra what shall go and a premature with the recent here and one no uncelebrity na Gavi and Casami in Tia I could not just or could drop it to do yes I could not say wono ebia ene Real Madrid abesha Celta Vigo qualify na nyame ya doma aye next week Monday and a draw at the quarter final aye dwumadia ye fa no Copa del Rey no eno som abekoso na ono obenya kran common sound draw onom and Real Madrid our quarter final animo na wankase ye besha Madrid say wo mo bekoho akwashe Real Madrid na tesobenya kwan komo ye draw na ebia quarter final El Clasico Madrid ensamo game no ensom awofie wo mo betoa Real Madrid wo mo krom akwashe Real Madrid ebia makra no say won fon any team a wo mo som abehia no benya kwan na ka bia nei wo mo kwa draw ama quarter final no yesa ba benya another El Clasico eno ensom ay update abesansa wo mo be say title bia Darius title bia possible bia no wo mo som aje adekwa and update time but said the same akotana your friend say Gavi yes Gavi akodin komo say e wiase nyina ha yenim say Leo Messi die onim bobo na Gavi nom akoka say and na ya munjai somebody Leo Messi ana say bia Lamine Yamal e compare owura fan say Leo Messi sansa was say comparison sabi aye nonsense na say sabi nyansa bia nim na de obaso kan nyina say wiase yenya obia biam a onom ate say Leo Messi yenya obia ne bobo and some other say Leo Messi ebiam no mo no de obaso kan nyina no say sadie yentimi nya obi are say Xavi yenyo obi ebiam are say Iniesta yenyo obi and some other say Sergio Busquets no sa no obi yen a wobetim I say Leo Messi ne mom say Leo Messi esinchen a Lamine Yamal a second best our assassin so nay was Leo Messi that so the best our we are singing na now said ono to nchen dia Lamine Yamal and aba mo sorry and Vinicius and Mbappe and behind you mutimi bo no ba Jude Bellingham see a man Ballon d'Or masa mudia krokra was ya kwata we wonom and the second best to Leo Messi ayasema Gavi akan na mami coach name coach no wo mu busa no say what yasema Gavi akoka Gavi say ye Messi sinche Lamine Yamal ni bobo coach no say akwada na emotional no be so kan nyina so born dey say Lamine Yamal obi am say bia akwada no boni adia but say bia Gavi abeka say Lamine and some second best to Leo Messi ni dey what did he ba say akwada no and so emotional ye tie ba say coach ye friend no Hansi Flick
emotional, so I say also yes. No, it's like you can see it. He's I think also in great matches you see big talents and he showed it many times about that, and he's on a really good way and yeah. But how you say, we have to take care about him, and he's really young.
Okay, yes, I know I am some Barca coach. I have found say Hansi Flick, and I'll tell say your dinner excepts Emma, your dear for an annual pay life for showing us our primary channel. What on some other sound something you know, and some other two canamum, German second and annual pay some other say age 17. I could not found say Lami Jamal, and some now reporter. Memen said calling in an answer and saying, Yabama projection, Emma was awesome now. Your place will be our Real Madrid, who call Ballon d'Or rankings and so almost. And some and the bills our Barcelona, Oko Ballon d'Or, and your rankings no sumwa, woman some our Balami Yamamunino, now almost I count and so the American can say, yes, in the Pabi, our GDS, I could have when you're 17 years, no, woman to the person, sir, or you're already a year clear contender, and I say, or your clear candidates, Akotano, and some other Ballon d'Or, you can say no, woman say, Mamma, friend, your grandson, and human Akotano, and some Asha Sawayano, your season started player Ben Pan ho and send the pan F5 Sebi or no Yafa Ballon to Emanabacas away automatically a Yakotana your fan said Lami Jamant and from Sebia one team Papenum and Finishers and Jude Abamanino one to the about Sakotana your fan said Lamin Jamal say about Wasudia and your Ballon d'Or Cotano and some other J. Eddie City Nasua and I update Taba Manijano I hear Ore Fanasa Flick when him say one for Ansu Fati anka ayene squad no ana omubusa coach ne say ne banse na one fa kora na anka no so one decision bi obetake bia no aye based on enioma na ne hu and some our training and na man take aye sad decision on time will be ana one pro bi asem enya will be esansa one nkoda ne nyina na aye atwuma na je oka ne nyina some and say wo kaya almost start season no na nyoma ekokama edema player ye fan Sam Ansu Fati and will cry. Now, the moment I prano, Yana Matumana Echo from a sub and Matumana decline it, and it's our cost year training. Now improve I'm a Matumana Paja. I didn't know we are short glimpses of Anuma. We bet me I am my own ball. I had dear Bono, one on some other more ball, and I asked my coach, and some Nadia Tuka. Yet day I update about German second, sir, Lamin Jamal, a fake dear. Yes, I'm on the stamp, as so, Namia Adama next season. Onom. And a Bishop Barcelona, woman JC number 10. Ye can sempi atchama me catch us ya start season no sanka Ansu Fati an ekoya Lami Jama besha tenemom won one ka say 10 nom aye Fati dia na se kobase bia Ansu edman dia obeche enai German sanka ni na say Ansu Fati no on step beyond aye this season to akwa automatically almost say one more start amakete akodan no number 10 aye say Lami Jama no wo be tiri ba so be sell aye copies and some adiama bobokua ye fan boss our brandnesses no and a Jason number 10 and some amatim and in an seminal yet the Emma yet for an anno pay and some our shores and anno pay but about 2 guests and our broke about Sabokua your father said Bamunchin almost have 5 no Leroy signing about 2 goals the reality because when him say coach and found some Vincent company the former teammate and Leroy signing on 1 man sitting on in our ball not company a captain and now boy no that's ball ne teammate and a coach no and also born ma as or familiar with Tony Babintin Kabia coach no buy no as a bia 8:30 or so be there me am no am a young kono maybe our babas and 9 ebia you said your coach abaka wontie essence one more na down for no the former teammate no tabi companies one no when you know juma sa essence Leroy san a player bia where you sutie pa what that some to mirikaden a juma den and some other boy team no and a debi also be catch us akuranes onye bia no one some our brand moment are very important and some amasaida your father say Bamunchin our brand coach no and yakurane era so yajuma yentie some coach your father say Vincent company and some other tuga
and you meet ex-teammates and players along the way, and sometimes things change, but I try to keep it as much the same as I can, because I was always a captain. I was always in some way or form a kind of leader as well, so I don't need to change my relationship too much. And in that sense, I see a player who's accepting to be coach, who's running hard for the team, who's doing a lot of work for the team, and who's in his moments important. You know, if the team scores a lot of goals, it's not just one player, of course, it's a collective, but he's part of that.
Yes, na just many channel Quarana Baswa say Kobase Bia ono boy no team a winning gamer and any papa copenning and I down to Sakotano and you be our best stay and as on stay and a manager and some other sound something and so I down some Emma for an A and some our show. So the last time no maybe two just said Dortmund Daba say woman some Saki Omukochina your friend said Nuri sign na say no maybe every time I get the and that German said, can you say, who drew a Dortmund and Perifono? Yes, management in the full Sunday said, what the Nuri saying, Elko, and I said, Jano Quaya, our some probiono, our track record, Nipano, and your proven winner, our bar. One of the titles at Yama Dortmund, and Tina German said, can you say, coach, one of some monetary bium, I Sandro Wagner, as of now, one of I assistant coach, Emma manager, your friend Julian Nagelsmann. One and a coach a dimension of Germany. Now you saw you be a CEO no Hans Joachim Waska and some Panas and Pantine a Sandro Wagner no and a report from a second Dortmund team no one some consider na Alexander Isaac bibi catch am say next season on Newcastle biem na akwedawe die bra me crown no time and Newcastle alpha by na free aye La Liga no dinaba Premier League no na me bisa say na nya bi obetimi abode because Sociedad no na me hye den hu ne ye gidigidi bi asabra akwon se was in the body said yeah was him and go no sha no wakunko no and now way aye Premier League campaign for me say aye boy no aye wanted and you say bia wadi boni bi na mom e wi ase em say team bia wo here striker bia no wono so abetimi a when ya Isaka ope na team ba ko na o ma hwira di campaign no and some aye Arsenal na German second say Isaac unim say enwa wabre koba so san share go and some ama Newcastle bobo ko no say no enwa de tell say one on kwano what ball aye 2 goals Anthony Gordon at about so enwa Isaac said the last 8 Premier League matches what bomb at Yama Newcastle was should go and will be into 8+ consecutive Premier League matches our bono was should go and will be one and about the 4th player why is that didn't be on already can you know woman Daniel Sturridge at that time our Liverpool and watch a Ruud van Nistelrooy and some our mind you AAB or Red Fan say Jamie Vardy okay last time on the Premier League next woman also was should go our 8 consecutive Premier League matches mu matches also be can be nay Isaac ababe play or to so makoma ko and 9 ababo matches makoma ko watwe ato so na bia be go ewo Premier League ni mo enyo bia na timi ya bie na boy na moduma no ana ma sesen komodie no nyina no ensom abame no kasai ori fa no say Ian Wright Ian ensom ase ye want to jasa based on Nyama Arsenal and the last season and the last 2 seasons in Alabama, more beyond that still on what did about Arsenal and some striker. The Arsenal and your striker, Jumano, and be a difficult and some Jamamo. What more can say? I'm about to me a major title. Yes, someone else know was this someone your striker, Jumano, and be a difficult. I'm an Arsenal. No, I am one customer former player. Your friend say Ian Wright, Yentino. What you say and some red fan say Ian Wright and so added to Johnny no Yabenya and no and some Jamaican sans and wash I was here now for back a claims in Nana Yade and no and some about seminal Yade Emma Yatil for an pay and some our shoulders are free and you're ready idea my many Janet fans a ya Chasanoya a young Rubin Amori Manchester Bobokuno one some bomb game and now man you for game about so coach and say on the NS and I'm to new coach no one bought the Italian style. Now the Italian style our kawa something na to say bia nipa na elbow to sempo enom aye 3 central defenders na chase empo om different ye ya na makwa divi kwana so nyina chi no ball na Manchester boy against Arsenal against aye chase Liverpool na no bi ana om kwakwa se be ya Manchester so abetimi akomo ye we nyina na ye nsema coach na ye fa no say Ruben Amorim and some attitude.
Important to understand that it's a different game. The expectations are different. The supporters want to see more, so you have to deliver. But the most important thing is that the way we face the game, that is a key point to win games. Sometimes they play more or less in the same system because Martin used it a lot, the three central backs also, but it's a completely different game. So it's more Italian, more man-to-man in this moment, more variations, the way they build up, sometimes long balls and second balls. They can change with a false nine, the way they play. So we are prepared for that.
Yes, I know I am some man you manager fans Ruben Amorim now telling Casa ya den excepts Emma not just Ivan Juric our coach and some Amsterdam the Italian style and about Southampton to prepare. Nemom the American can send yes player no just say be unya nyatwom. Nemom say nipa no yo be anatwom down na some nipa no wo be anakoma mu tepa de nipa be abeka cho say wo mo support am manager na ye fan Ruben Amorim adom say Coachy ya bema papa anya bema ne se bia sabi de san wonam ye ntam ne mom wo buy order nan asifom na wabra mo kwakabo Manchester derby na eba say ye tin say manager na drop aye Alejandro Garnacho wa drop Marcus Rashford okay ya ebe ye nsem pimo bia kan de opa yes plus no say everyone now what that woman ye no be a prepare ball a game and say Man City quite down I bet me a shama ye we do training grounds at Marcus Rashford no I said the BB crying up on it just say as one say BB cause and fan who say as obey your training as one your attitude be but no why so he be ba yen can some artists your money cham so I you be a man in secretary akwadai and some 24 it yes say players no many Johnny yes I don't yomo da pa o ma yadano ama no ka so mo so coach no wo mo tare chi pampe na onim say game on babo against Southampton wo be abaka Southampton yes F4 now soon say from now on Monday ebesi enam no ka say yes throughout the whole week ni nyina no wo ma boys no aye training our quarantine report to am say kan say what the players no aba quarantine tapia ama training across so say or prepare akwakobo aye Southampton and no to say the Arsenal the other crown no wo ma omu day off no mom aye Southampton match no yes we see day off be no match be to say and I gro ho a and no some abefo ase enti no aye dia coach no so aye na nipa ba ko pa wa revive and the manager fan Sam Morim no and some aye Harry Maguire manager no say system no efevano na on one kasa fen wo nsa kodan no wonam komum esemba be leader ebiem emabi atwam na oye leader ema team no na oye captain wo mo strepen armband efren nsam ya e koma Bruno na so manager Amorim say anyoma bi akoda na hase a wo ya na system three back wo mo dendenden no wo so wasan sa qualities ni biem ensom our branch one say Maguire mo enche bia no boy no abesa ba be leader ensom ade ma team no say a branch fan say Ian Wright ade no ensom abade ayen chesensa wo diri e ba say Arsenal woman ebe here striker and center woman to me major title young former player Ian Wright
tough especially with the there's a desperation and I don't know if it's just me but there seems to be a desperation simply because looking at last season and how close they got starting this season knowing that we have to stay with them. You know what I mean? You know, I know we started the season and, you know, and we lost some games, some injuries, some decisions go against you, which happens to everybody. But when Manchester City starts slipping up and then the fans believe that, oh, if they slip up, we're going to catch them, and then we're not like performing and
that's the disappointment, isn't it?
Disappointment, but then you can feel the energy in the place of the disappointment. It's like feast or famine. You know, they completely go the other way. Now, if again, it's very easy to say because you say, yeah, but if you take some of those chances, but if Arsenal take those chances, the whole landscape of what our people are speaking about is totally different. But they haven't. For me, we have to get the strike. We have to get the strike.
Yes, not just a chances in a bar Arsenal team. No, woman soon to mean take you up, or be a man taking ya. Your fans out chances at the Amawa, not just a no. And so I a Bobo Kuai fans Arsenal strike, and I was one no, and take it to Moko Bimra. And I have foot to a reference Ian Wright, and so Adiama team on Arsenal. After saying, no, didn't come out of London Derby, the man of pay. Maybe from my last 3 derbies in Inano. I Gabriel Magalhaes on that man of the match. Arsenal. Woman ya 3 consecutive league matches. I'm at Dinkunim over Tottenham. Yes, way. And the first time we see our Premier League era. Yes, it's about the Premier League era. Say Arsenal. Ever share me and say against Tottenham. And some at Watson and Ra. And I just Arsenal Bobo Kuno. Woman some ISR record. And many just fans are Tata. Woman was answer Munya chances and I'm saying no. Coach and say and I say crack game no. Nenny Cranson K2 1 or say no some come up Barry a your born da cry. I Tottenham shall go Crano San Arsenal and some team by far. Ningen Ayadia Sahajan Aquadana. Your fan is way I Mouse Lewis Skelly. One and I just know starting game. Now Michaela Tate Ebon Abbas was say over 18 years. Obia Uo 18, Wobo North London Derby, Wobo Ediatia Dejan Kolizowski, Wobom Ediatia Brennan Johnson, Bra. And confirm you know the same line as on Tate Bruta. Na Aquadano, Etimibo Boletesa, Nania Japan to Aquadano, and some Abaso. Yintio coach.
Very rare to see 18 years old playing against Kulusevski and Johnson in a big London derby for the first time to perform with that composure, with that, again, with that attitude, with that control emotionally. Very rare to see. I think
yes, I know I can't free manager na so deba Chelsea bobo kuno mamen fantu onim se me basu se nemom Omar Mamouche me catch one person rejected nemom latest and say bobo kuwa ye friend Man City omoda so ya Jumaden na yes City for say womom I remain confident omo tiri ma pass ye there every name cause watch na City eno am to dwano womom so abawie sense Frankfurt womom so valuation 80 million euros aba pounds 67 million pounds. I know more dear. Enti omuguso kameno kase no. Yase negotiations are koso. Na mekacho say Chelsea. One the travel Chaloba abano. Report to me say Chelsea for the GDA pass up no. Obi a wonyini. Ewa Chelsea tiba wa bano. At the said ye. One make new signing January. So and some about good news at the side. Your fans such as Sakadano and so Abba. Not mete, yes, manager fans and so Marascano. 1J Tosin Adara Bioyo and D 1J Azal Disasi and some ND Anunti and a manager Abasa Wamuja and Koranamianuka because Untimin started game against Aya Bournemouth. Now on board Josh a champion Aquadino our brand name who say anafe later on for Tosin I just say manager or Jomudia Kamu back home Aba started Nemom Diamond can manager in Pemubia and until my branch of an said Chaloba Abba woman say when him say be a man gay woman to bueno and some other source our market anymore I updated by Nicholas Jackson we are Chelsea fan at TME Yenim say Suana Musu about to go best says matches squad on shall go what did we bought woodwork no Bobby took side netting now 1 million what I say what the man go to penny yes Chelsea in front of say goes ne madie Nelson Aquadano we ya Jumaden pa wonom and started I Chelsea woman some a person about say be Chelsea I out of possession Chelsea and Kitabo woman luzu bona Nico and a press It a pressing material. Oh, yeah, bro. What's that? It's your cousin, your contenders, and I'm saying, Mobile, Salomon, much money. So, I must say, only I started press here. What's that? Mizana, where dear?
Boko fancy pressing machine.
Let's try as your coto. Isako pressing.
Oh, Isako pressing.
Aha.
Sasha goes.
Aha. Now they're pressing, I don't yet more printing press.
Oh, so hey, the press machine. PM papa, the whole world. He said Jackson, the PM will be so did so. Jackson PM, papa. Fancy a very good morning to your cherished listeners, the viewers, and I no pay war. Some passports, so now you new come on, I no pay. May shall see a free Chelsea baby I would see here. Meaning say Nicholas Jackson issues no war. Now with Nicholas Jackson now Chelsea supporters and Chelsea penny for be who say goes in Piemu Fambano. The last few months, fancy Nicholas Jackson became a consistent goal scorer for Chelsea. Let's not forget
that one there.
Now also crucial goals more assisted in crucial matches. I mean say Adebakwa and football fans ebi mu recognize it. accepting it, say there is always going to be a bad spell on a player's part, and a team nankasa as a whole no crumple. There's always going to be a bad part they play out. During that particular moment in time, you are not going to get the results you want. The whole Chelsea setup, and now maybe explain it, Chelsea. There is a structural problem which Enzo Maresca will need to deal with. Meno, Brian Jackson share a lot of goals the match Chelsea. No, you would understand. Say, not Chelsea creating enough in both halves. So if Chelsea is creating enough in both halves, fancy you would understand. Say goals no Ede and Sabekabi Obenya Binuashe. Chelsea moving from XG of 2.0 upwards. Ama in the last 5 games, and now my analysis nature you understand. So I drop here, but the highest in the 1.48.
So bad.
In terms of expected goals, I was expecting from Chelsea. Meaning Chelsea is not even creating enough to even understand and know. Say at this time, the baby Ejina say you know, players no, and the whole team no are going through a bad spell. Etuba kwa say fancy yankoto striker B fanembra, yankoto striker A fanembra. Ba me ameti fancy. Oye strikers now bit my more proper wingers or bit mama goals.
No born than na no dia. Obebubi.
Marcus Rashford started as a number 9. Oba under Luis Van Gaal in a number 9. Share the impact of Marcus Rashford at the Manchester United abroad by a left winger. Any influence of the Manchester United. Another player to talk about, Anthony Martial.
Me yan why I dream because me kai I'm somewhere last season and Chelsea game be almost switching called the left wing.
Obo papa
na super
and what the bibia to nchen Jackson what the call left wing one more and the productivity ni influence in the game better e dey chain the Sancho any boys in the church or left wing one. That is only when Chelsea is going to get a prolific number 9. It's a prolific number 9 no more available in why. Victor Osimhen, Gyökeres, Chelsea be fan why. Away from the striking issues, no. I believe, sir, Chalobah, now Chelsea is a friend back and he raises questions about squad planning at the beginning of the season for Chelsea. And me Simon will say, Disasi, meaning say Badi Ashile, any Fafana and you know injuries or more one chain. They are not going to play a part. But Quarrel, any Disasi mono, ebi a level no na unisa. But me Simon will say, Mupa se Chalobah, the quality ni won Edrum Pempen so ba Chelsea be starter na. Because Okwa Crystal Palace na Chelsea na enche na mfasa o. Until recently no mo sha say some more 3 back. Ano be kan wo akire onum. Oni magay mu. Ana eyi the quality na ewo ni mu ni nyina de aba abonten. Na nka ba bi agina sese ne de. Ka meka ne say anka onto so na confirm building the confidence of Crystal Palace by a release clause assembling contractual issues. So you can't say by force ontina. Chelsea ade omudi ahyem no makọ trigger. But the question will always lie on the ability say Chelsea said during the summer no ka squad planning no ka akoda wo yema ne tena ya kebe dey kebeboa a o mama ne ko se si na ba sa Crystal Palace for no so be some star bi kakra when so about Chelsea second round no bobo mo benya stability wo akire on ma fa show trim say Crystal Palace your Madrid some be sign abo ne be dey it could be a win-win situation, it could be a win-lose situation, but in all of this in komo ayedi ni nyina no the biggest winner ne be Chelsea because the neighbor na former na branch any price be dey ebe kosoro so the neighbor na branch any more so ani a Chelsea nkoto center back bi omema na yeden omema na tena but Crystal Palace will lose because the last few months na come build it they say Crystal Palace they will need to go on the market for a center back. I also mo come market they so copy center back the neighbor and also another issue and also be created the amomo but the omo be on betimi awene ne yese je so okọ ogba na bia amfa na bia omasa akofa no masa de na yeden Edinaba, but Chelsea is going to be the biggest winner in this particular discussion. Now, Mr. Fancy, Arsenal ni almost strike as no. Obi e kan ba mi bisa mo sa ateta don oni ma na. Ya semu ya kan you see.
But Ateta also another one
but Fancy,
of a stubborn.
Let's be clear with this particular statement, Mike.
Sompa sport.
Ubetimi enya striker no en assure so ubetimi league. You can get a striker bet mama of 15 goals, 20 goals, but not in just a league, no bet my day. Bet magic. You can also get a forwarder on your striker. Obetimama 20 goals, Obetimama 25 goals. By league, Obetima day. Obetimaji. But in recent times, in the Koba the Premier League or more Magic League now, almost strikers in the every season, almost go kinana. Fancy, even in the last 10 years, see in the last 10 years, I was 2024. That means Mike, since 2014, deba. It was 2025. In the 2014, 2015. Hey,
Masa. Yeah, he had no
Lata
Ladi.
Now, fancy. We're 2014, 2015. Mike, Chelsea in the G League.
Sompa Sports.
Chelsea G League in one and another go in that particular season. The match Chelsea.
Diego Costa.
You move away from that. 15-16. 15-16 by Leicester City. Right?
Jamie Vardy.
16-17. City because that was the first time Chelsea and Sabedi and Antonio Conte.
Yeah.
So 16-17 is why. Diego Costa.
Yeah.
Away from 16-17 Diego Costa, 17-18 Manchester City. Obeha Sergio Kun Aguero mu bene namo. Aba beje 18-19 City beje Obaba 19. Even Liverpool was even winning the league. Na Mo Salah na leader. But
on man
Roberto Firmino. So o check the last 10 years now. Obi an waji league bia no. One ne striker no. E ade a love relationship e do mo ntem say wo striker no go ke no krotimi ye dey. Otimi GB. I would agree with anybody that feels that Arsenal will need a striker to win the league as it stands.
Yeah.
Because you see, on the baby, I'm project na do no much run. I don't think Arsenal needs any top recruitment at their back line. Many sure say Arsenal here top recruitment in the middle of the pack, but up front, no, they will need to get a player who bet me replacing Gabriel Martinelli. Me see from Martinelli in the league. So when me can't be we fuck Gabriel Martinelli in the league. Bukayo Saka very good, but you need someone to back up with Bukayo Saka because injury situations nowadays and does not favor him. Odegaard here in a part, Partey here in a part, Declan Rice here in a part. All of these guys here on part. But for Gabriel Martinelli and Kai Havertz and Gabriel Jesus, Arsenal will need to go for grade A players. Many Arsenal winger, left winger, like Asam Nico Williams. Yeah, when Nico Williams, most of these guys are signing on Maba. Arsenal bet me, Arsenal first can come Manchester United. Don't bet me Monkofa Rashford. He's an upgrade over Martinelli. Maybe a Manchester United environment, and that's not favor him now.
Yeah, it's a Sancho the Nebia.
Even instead of Sterling, can they should have even spoken to Manchester United about Sancho because Martinelli need dear and we feel like I have it in for Muni League. They should look at Isaac. So if we saw a relationship with Real Sociedad, or his will be men the more the guard, these guys are. You need to pick up.
I checked the na kwa say ebi adana cracks no home, but wasan ye mortar no dey a plaster dino. So the moment Arsenal bought 1 or 2 games maybe a bad results be anko be a 1 draw be a 1 defeat be na on be share 3 games at was so the same problem no was solve here we e be na Tottenham game no because enwa major presentation where Tottenham players or my prom year starters. What do you compare Arsenal? Clearly, now we say Arsenal.
Arsenal crown for us to struggle kakra. You see, I didn't know set Ferguson apart from other coaches in the Premier League. Mike, or tell one has a striker winning in Bobo League anymore. None never won a manager league. Now you go
Van Persie.
I know Kofa bebe tough. Even 1 year Lanchera, I know the Kofa and the co.
Yeah,
he will go in, he will go there, he will pick you up.
Se Ferdinand na woman you are Kofa Hurricane.
Hurricane on Kobo America kra.
Yeah.
Cantona Munina. He will pick Obefoul. If Ateta wants to win the league, you see, Madrid yas is some Yama who said, I have not India Hakran and Nani. We were being careful about the history of some players on my pure Barcelona almost also.
Yes.
Now, unfortunately, and your man Timianko Yan Farm Adani or Moshebre Nako BBO. It has not only happened at Barca, different clubs. We see it. But with Barca discussion here, no, I could remember at a certain time where the club needs help so much. Because omuni iconic figure be obetimia Donny or man obetimia team leader sin a Betty so. Edio mo remu into the promised land. And no, I didn't akodane ye, you know. I didn't akodana kwa ye wo Euro Sabano. I didn't know ye wo Classico muno. nothing looks like Akurano or Beba form.
Yes. What Prakobai?
What Prakwaba?
I got 3 weeks or so.
That is it. The only thing Barcelona will need to do to Akoda when he say, I'm managing the game time. And Akoda way on kind more of Messi. Akoda way Yako is a Neymar style.
Okay.
The skill set, no. Menka so a Neymar. I'm talking about skill set. On to some Messi. It is the pressure of Yenya Messi, no Phantom Chamber, baby.
And there's a Gavi cracker.
But the skill set, no, a Neymar kind of player. And he could be what Neymar at a point in time, no more expected to say Messi, no one more, Baba Yama Barcelona, no, on the Baba Sadio. Menka said Neymar was a flop at Barcelona. He won the treble for Barcelona. He scored a lot of goals for Barcelona. But me sure say na Barcelona supporters ni na woji die se fancy. E bedroom maybe no on be hia say Neymar. And the Baba team ni die se ni na so say la na Messi nye dey. Anyone more, this is the guy who is going to do the job. Obey adwuma ne kama. And I'm so proud of baby Onam and the quality now wenya. Purely I can't say be say highlight the attitude of players. Anyhow omo progression city any kwa mo ntimi mfa so achieve the height ya azumi di mo mo say wo so motimi ye dey eduru wakoye interview o Saudi Arabia o interview no one some radio TV bi na koye omo ye wie na okasa about Theo Hernandez ne Rafael Leao me sa se mo meka ne de bia say Rafael Leao the quality na ekuta ne height na wo so oduru na nye ho no waduru
eno de say consensus o kraka
ankomo nkopem akushu Ashford and Fanemba just to come and compete him. Theo Hernandez so bobo na say oko off. And purely as no can say maybe the results at AC Milan was based on the attitude and the reaction of Rafael Leao and Theo Hernandez. Because so mumi enu no game ni na so mo fa game ni se omo so a easy man Milan say Milan betimi ahye. On the day they are worse, fancy it becomes very difficult for AC Milan to win games. And I'm not for crossing up and pound modo. Osi entesa. But these are two guys are more attitude. So omo continuous performance game after game. It's also that the omo kakra. But this time no omo nyini. So they should know where they are getting to. And I believe Theo Hernandez fancy udi bibi aton chenya top 3 left backs in the world. Untimi Theo Hernandez falling from with potential and quality. I'm not talking about consistency. I'm talking about quality, no. Any potential no. Top 3, nobody. Rafael Leao is up there. It's one of the best left wingers on Mui Magic. But these guys, attitude. And Theo Hernandez, baby, I want them Casa back to Madrid crack here. And Fancy, Osha Milan, baby, Omujina Sesia, Juventus ne Tomori in common a year. And I begin to ask, AC Milan, so beja Tomori come and aqua. Team name we you still want to fight for the league because Enra in Tamla said in names on Besho Bologna no or my drop points. And then you could see say there was anger in their eyes. And Medica catches some with them Inter, Napoli, or Mati team. Mate. But AC Milan or person bottle for on keep it Tomori.
Well, Meza Meda say, Mamim Raswe na Subonten Prince on Facebook. Or say, I wonder at times how Arsenal and Man United fans feel because teams be say dear, I won't know a subontin messenger or no, and so at the banana pay when so a creamy framesy or no say, good morning, Sports God. I'm watching a show live from Kumasi Tech, inside KNUSC, and our day, yes, our message, and so a buy, Opoku, Prince Isaac say, I had a dream, and Florentino Perez was begging not to meet Barcelona in the quarterfinals of the Copa del Rey. Guess what? They never listen. What God has established, let no man put asunder. Hey, is it a quiet mama dear Jayo? Well, Thomas Eshan say, good morning, Sports God. I'm watching the show live from area update on FC Barcelona. Akumbia, we Chelsea fans are we Chelsea will keep Jackson only if Man United accept Disasi. Real Hazard Junior and a day yes message. Now Disasi obey me about my trio. Tell back no.
Just grab pressure
Well, Mike Ababesrai, Sporty. Jose. About first of all, our sporting group.
That
means now. It is my pressure. It is my pressure. It is my pressure. Hey, Opoku.
It's your toy. Where they chase where from?
Hey.
Oh yes.
Hey.
They to me.
Hey, Opoku. It is my pressure.
You know me. I smell pressure.
It is my pressure.
You can't tell me what to do. Opoku, I don't like that. Opoku. Hey, Opoku.
Oh, but on a more serious note, congrats. I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm saying,
congrats.
me there be a man some me can say, you see, I take it to say just a day now the hunipa. And I there be a man from the one me see nipa so mo adwum mo tie fine. No akoma mo so da won dwum bi ho adwum bone ya. That is how God ensures your steps.
Okasa ya wa odi memre.
Yeah. What am I say? So nyame nton supengo so be shine so but me from Roma 1-2 kra no say akra for no be ya down no omunim ana
They don't know.
They
don't know.
Hey, Asarabuadu.
Opeki, aka Ronaldo.
Also, the other call a you also the other call
up. But the more call way.
Baba,
there be a better Lancaster.
Hey,
yeah. Oh, I mean, can say we na way.
Okay, it's you.
Maybe yeah. Me line mo up. Muni mechi. Me the more call Lancaster. You pay.
Obviously, I can promise.
Uncle B.
We are gap. We are
gap. What drop it? You better widen gap. Wait. What drop it? Uncle B. So Lancaster, you are now you call Baba.
Oh, okay.
And you're very numb.
Oh, my
God. You're very numb.
You're better time about me. People bored. I mean, your mother.
And I'm
sick. Ain't me see die. Oh, my side.
See die. As a man, catch again. I say, Mammy, remember na do better now.
Fuzzy, on a more serious note, you see, I don't know what Dortmund wants to do. Minimum they on person. But if they want to run a project with young players, now omutumeshisha nedru stage bia. Aya woko ayebida ho. Meka ayebida obi awaye bi owo experience, you know. That is a mistake they made with one, Eden Terzic. They followed Terzic the enthusiasm and the understanding of the whole Dortmund structure. But Terzic had never built a team before. They saw relative success. But once again, it was so near. But again, so far. They failed to emulate examples they had with Tuchel and then Klopp. They're not Tuchel and Klopp here. They had built teams, notably with Mainz 05. Yeah, the Mainz back off from your big Peja Mainz, they are relatively low budget. Yeah, the low profile players, but you're born heavy. Near qualified, they are by Europe. And so the Dortmund Dumedian Mark Klopper, he has done it with a team where you're relatively lower ranked than a Dortmund into Obetimi. What the Matukela or sa experience no Obetimi. But Ufri or Monsa, the other managers you bring on board, ask yourself how they were able to run such projects and the success rate of it. And Tinuri Shahin, you know, we all knew. So he lacks that experience. Well, you're good. He had done considerably well at Turkey. But the whole Dortmund thing was a different kettle of fish. What the man had done. So problems were going to emerge, especially he's young. Yeah. Now big players, how will he handle them? Now, there is somebody in Ten Hag available. Forget the whole Manchester United episode. Even with Manu, in as much as Anya overall a success, he still won. He won trophies, FA Cup, or the League Cup. So Ten Hag was not entirely a bad nut among the good Manu. No. Even in the darkest moment, he won you trophies. Then refer to Ten Hag at Ajax. Not just the wins, but the brand of football. With what? With a project. So it means if Dortmund gets someone like Ten Hag, or Ayebida, I don't know more person why Ayebida or Tiasie. Now go for Sandro Wagner. And they say, "Oh, Abrewe now the Abrewa for Babedi idea, a postponement of another funeral."
Because Ten Hag nobody can bone it.
Exactly, because Wagner does not have such experience and is similar to Nuri Sahin.
Yeah.
The shine and it's not because he's on your good coach, but it takes more than being a good coach to run projects like this on your bida. So if you need Obia Bida, then that is the example on the screen, Eric Ten Hag. And it's as simple as such. Unless Dortmund don't want to follow the American, they can go for the Sandro Wagner experience. If you are no being a bida, but fair, like Julian Nagelsmann or Hoffenheim, young coach or bida or fire. So it could also work that way. But most of the times, I have experience no more for more than just going for the exuberance of a young coach. Now, ordinary Jumano. Fancy. Let's stop normalizing Lamine Yamal. He's not ordinary.
Okay.
He is a generational talent. He's a special one at that.
Lamine.
The moment you bet yes or no, and my analysis of Akodano is simple. He is just 17 years after no for Atredenako 18. But what he is doing, a more 22, 23 no, or more deal or more year. So it means you'll be our bobo no be at the professional level and our senior team level no. What born be 5-6 seasons. 5-6 seasons now urade udi uraho. Teenagers don't produce such numbers for club and country. They don't. And he's your ultimate playmaker, a modern day playmaker. Modern day playmakers, they don't just delight with dazzling football, they score as well. Boy way score. And then he's assisting goals, he's creating as well. Abofra kuma anka we no ko be wura team kese sam no ne mbetiri no emunye duye ntinka ne ho be popo, but he shouldered a certain burden with Barca and he's doing his bit. He was able to shoulder a burden. Our national team, he did his bit and they won. Yeah. You can't tell me this is an ordinary normal kid. Oh, wait, they say normal. And you're normal, me pacho. It is not normal.
I was say we are expect even more.
He's a special talent. And per projection, this boy will outlive expectations be Brahman for the man. Oh, bet me. Will he be able to do it? Yes, he will. On the evidence of what he has done and what lies ahead. Nekap no, and drew quarter full crowd. Wake up no, ye born a cap in him no, and drew quarter full. Ampana be drew half na atrako 3/4 na yema. So he has a lot to add. But even with the Oweya, the parable of a talent in the Bible, you may be saying, Yama way 5, Yama way 2. The and multiplied. This boy is working with the talent he has. You don't think it will multiply?
Oh,
exactly the point. And any problem, any problem, be a be free more diaba. Nano na Madrid Neymar. Neymar was just like this as a teenager. But ne the end the Odin Queen Nano or Brazil.
Sorry, Mike. I say obviously talented. I say a 17-year-old Ghanaian footballer at best will be playing Milo games. He's indeed phenomenal.
No cry no cano. Yama ko school. I was Spain camps and all exams. And your Milo games standard na biano no. But that is the point. He's elevated himself and yes, sound hurrah. Only in penifone na tune said it. We no wa run in sunny ye and the pro no artisono on in penifone sinkonya and omodidi from the same bowl. He deserves it. A trim during the code Neymar, I may say Neymar Diano is similar to Yamal. Teenager was the wow figure of the world because born no about Brazil, but near in Africa. It was because of the Neymar. Now, you bet me at Neymar's current age, Obiani word ni me bediachi ni me sure. Say Neymar has not had a rewarding or a successful career. Neymar career no, but and you're fulfilling, and there's a difference. There is a difference in success and success and the fulfillment. Fulfillment never ba wabra. Wa won say achievement na wenya no eye abutoyemu wakuma to yem weni agye ho. Enti obi wo ho yesikeni. But he is not a fulfilled person. Nisikani in nature no. He has issues. He deals with them. Sana Neymar de netie. He has made success in football. On the pitch, he's won top trophies. Brazil, Anya Copa America. Brazil, Anya he is Brazil's all-time top scorer. Not any other national team. Brazil, one of the best in the world. Oyomo top scorer. Waji at club level, Champions League. He's won 6 trophies in the season before. Champions League top scorer. And to where he's had a very successful career on the pitch. And then off the pitch, so you're better the bank balance. Where your friend tell me the amount of it. Bisa born Serentos war. Sikanu nye biankasa. All free Brazil crown no one. He was making money. All free Brazil by Europe. He made money. All free Spain, across France. He made huge sums of money. All free France, across Saudi Arabia. And they are the Sikanu cross or them not to turn in Sanesa.
Yeah.
So Neymar is a very successful footballer. But Nelson say, yeah, well, what if Bebre a territory in the career now? A lot of questions will be asked. Nementin konya botre not na basa. What would have happened? What if?
And also, crown better than what project here.
Everybody believes that Neymar would have had a far more fulfilling career than he has now if he had stuck with Barcelona. And Neymar, and so transfer was the catalyst of Barca's downfall because they threw money in trying to solve the Neymar problem.
And Neymar or Brazil your confederation in Olympic Games.
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah. Thanks for the correction. Fancy. Neymar and Barca, it would have saved Barca a lot of the wasteful transfers they embarked on. Coutinho, Dembele. They did all these deals in an attempt to replace Neymar.
Yeah.
Or they put it to proper use. So, Okas and Kanema now the hypothesis and say, or what on the net saying, look at that trial, Neymar Suarez Messi. Into a one into what now, Quebec more. And there's this famous quote from Messi. Say, Abraham Neymar be free, or besides I don't episode free. Tinana, I will make you the best in the world. And Messi, or your see idea, your football in the no he makes you beg. Opa Kobisa Rodrigo de Paul. Nanko also why. Exactly. So if he had stayed at Barca, perhaps Anka Diayeka or Neymar career it would have been more fulfilling stories and more rewarding. See, say they were not rewards, or the dinner Jumane born now born or the deal. But dear, a wasan corno to me can markuma at Toyem. Neymar Wenyanesa. He is the prince who never became the king. But once again, he's royalty. And he enjoyed a lot of success in the game of football. A rewarding career, a successful career, but not a fulfilling one. And that is the story of Neymar. Fancy. Ancelotti ne krawaya here. So wait me at Madrid. I'm telling you, because he's somebody who has an excellent man management skill. Ancelotti said nipa hunkita hudie. Onimpa. It will be such Chelsea boys now. Men come Madrid. Will be such Chelsea boys now. And one of my rebels were dressing room. They fell in love with Ancelotti's man management skills. Or to me, yes, I did because of his experience. In 1994, Ancelotti a coach. He was an assistant to Italy national team that called World Cup final. So on your end the coach, and the whole show of football movie and who pay. And you said the crime who are obeponu no. Exactly the point. So his experience has helped him. So you have to swallow certain things. Especially, you have to cope, you have to endure. Our big clubs, or more presidents, or more ego, or more success. Especially Florentino Perez. Any Perez in Yejuma, now won't team, and I'm a say, Debbie. This man, he used his experience to get there, but baby, Druno. I see him more out of Real Madrid than in.
Like you.
Nenaino Bakusi Abonte. Anna Bakusi Atwa and Napia Abonte. Not because on Yadi, but yes, Bema Beyebu. The next phase of the Madrid project, Ebe outlive the importance of Ancelotti to the Madrid project. The Americans are saying, coaches need to stage says, I am not loyalty, a blind deal. So they barely make changes. Yeah, Your GDS says, how Raul Asensio boy. No. Sancelotti born consistently, a born obey me. It would have solved the central defensive problems now Madrid won. But opening the template now working. So the loyalty to the Trameni way
and no players need be complaining no. Because Alda Gulash fine talent.
Give them opportunities. They are loyal. A bit for Germany. When it became obvious, also he players need be free no, be better. They stuck a idea what some coaches way almost so their blind loyalty. So blind loyalty, no, it will create a certain tension in the team. And when this our team will come in the banner, Anka, it will be helped if Madrid had leaders in the dressing room. They don't have leaders yet. Or they may bow. Nyoma Kwokosui. When Marcelo Dean come about how he was able to settle in at Real Madrid, Beccacho said the senior figures in the dressing room. Even Vinny Jr., he's a beneficiary of that. Senior figures nema wenika omotnetne ochreche onyoma. Valverde, the impartations of Toni Kroos and the Buama Valverde etimi ye de oye. So the leaders no money dressing room no. It's all called dressing room wa. A players a similar age bracket ranging from 20 to 25. Your players are omudu sa stage now. They are hungry for opportunities and they have ego. When young penny for mo betnet ni omo athlete omo kwan na na fe build up na create unnecessary tension into your story be say yes Madrid team na pitch na so ni ehu say omo connection but off it there is no connection no correct.
That's right.
These are hungry young boys passionate enough to play for the biggest club in the world and they want to deliver and yes omo time omo nyo you know when every opportunity no den ya any break akra. So it is Ancelotti who will likely leave, and then Madrid will start anew with a manager who is a hybrid of the old and the new, or embracing the new ways, or the changes kakrabe bim, and these players will grow together. Now, Boamanyoma and Swetimia.
Whoa, Mike Martina, Kwame America, or say, oh, so my Asarabuodu is leaving. I was saying, is there any bring back clause? I'm ready to pay it. I tell Mike he has no idea how much I love his analysis. I wish him the best of luck.
You will see me here. And you won't miss me. And the woman.
And the woman.
And the woman.
And Rama. And Rachel.
Oh, well, and the woman. Not me around.
And I'll too quiet.
If I am around, if I'm
not on assignment, I'll be here. Well, Tofik Gonja say, don't forget Pau Kubasi is also a student. There's a Pau Kubasi Munina no but most on the Facebook. A bit more so much as say see announce Fati so started. So the numbers there can say oh Yama prior no. You better say on also mumpa is be injuries and mehano like
be atunche the impact Yamal enyano on the Spanish national team. No about Barcelona and Casana quite difficult to put Ansu Fati on that level. To be very honest with you.
Yes.
And even this, Ansu Fati or how many seasons are Praneba?
What's me about full season there? Okay, Timo Fati to me about full season.
What I think here is I mean way. Fati was a sensation. Similar to last season, the Yama, you know, sensational. Yeah, we peer all of a sudden. But maintaining that momentum was hampered by the injury.
Okay.
Yama, we peer, he was a sensation. We Prawakwaba, he's maintained that momentum. And it is for at least a considerable period. Men can consistent. A considerable period. In team Radwa Yama let Dini the Oyeno. Enough to buttress the point to say he won't be the next Ansu Fati.
Yeah.
Ansu Fati, after the first injury, when seen that demo, this boy has been injured. He's returned and he's not evoked any signs to say, I did not take I come na ne woman ira. I come na that's all. And it looks like he's even better. Ansu Fati, the weight of the burden on him. The weight of the burden, he's handled it expertly. Barcelona that you be tired and saying was she braces no fitness. Now boy we the age no did he lie to us?
The amount or movie no so me say difference. Also Ansu Fati 2019-2020 or coming into the scene. About 11 matches as a starter, 13 from the bench. Actually 7 goals. That season Ansu Fati P na Barcelona kofa Antoine Griezmann. And most of these guys they will be PM. So in terms of limelight na Nkasano, Ansu Fati was not supposed to even be the main man of Barcelona.
Yeah.
As at that time. So that responsibility now Ansu Fati Suno was just that what PR. Obo into obenya be boa pressure be ani no so obetima handle obetima say
side on best start share goals no be sensation
what am I say but wait there no oba at the time of Barcelona omo hia mo omo ho akere omo they need somebody for the team to rely on omo da form
gona Fati kra na Messi wo
no first Fati no na mo nchenchen kakra no aba kakra no ko nchenchen but Yama de na ono aba at the time and nobody is the face of even the club. And Javi Hernandez was suffering. No kaya injuries pan na eku Barcelona at that time. No munim kwa krom obefaso. So only team be graduate from sensation to become a consistent player for them. And see why Yesako Heroes. Yeko Heroes. And me refer Ansu Fati board the Spanish national team. But wait then Yeko Heroes. Nyeko competition obi ase Rodri. And na kwaje competition na sini na so. Obi ani da almost so. Players are cannot money down so. But look at what Yamal with the Euros. He was literally the life warrior of the Spanish national team. No one about second season. He said the Mike can say waba. Oba no be himself or say be or kokwasa. But Krana sa the team na say na beti. And in terms of talent, Mike, I believe say Ansu Fati potential na Yama the difference is shared him.
Me adia ba kwa
But Akolana set things apart by being responsible.
Me adia ba kwa asema hu ni say players now naturally left-footed no so ni ball ne ball no fronko and I say a sound back down to say you're not naturally right-footed epra or check ne ho chere no style bi me share them we be a naturally left-footed ni bi a we pra no akwaba na say ball na e bibia o minim say bia wo bi sa dia
me person me cite examples come with the same left-footed way. Messi was an injury-prone player. Barcelona started here, and Messi Prapa.
Yes.
Good. It takes a certain time and then a certain appointment to unlock your greatness. Ansu was not also helped by the transitional period then. So coaches they were basically not stable enough. Ronald Koeman. Onya nentwie ya ofende say Kiki Setien so enti time or the PA no any coaches are oba be share o mo ase ni we no amwa but with Yamal it is similar to when Messi coincided with Pep Guardiola omumbe Messi ni Guardiola be clash here no we saw greatness coming coach ye great player no so ye great anameboa. It means Guardiola had that touch. Entina baby Okubi and you see something like that. Hansi Flick, similar. Hansi Flick was Adieno. Jamal Musiala, you can look at Alphonso Davies money way. He brings the best out of individual players, especially if you are young. Enti Enfa Yama will get injured like 10 times. And Chelsea, he won't be great. Messi got injured several times. Chelsea ne Barcelona. Bakura aside the whole no butu no touch line. Messi did not play the 2005 Champions League final because of injury. So the injuries will come. But and also when Chelsea and you they are successful. No. Obiane how they able to recover from injuries. Arjen Robben, he was an injury-prone player. I did not stop him from being great. Robben boy and then no proud, boy and then no proud. But BBN who is seen a from being great. So, member fa injury no member ye a yastic to say anu ako prasa Ansu Fati then wempeja. Yamal might get injured. Will even stay out longer than Ansu Fati. But me see the boy ni mo no. A seed of greatness.
Yeah.
And you only need to water it so that it sprouts.
It's behind me
kind. It's different.
Coach Awabe she Hansi Flick ball boy. Ferran Torres mu ina nshego.
It's you say Yamal pride for 3 weeks been na results nice I know. So okay.
Yeah.
And he's confident.
Now boy, team Ferran Torres to me shall go now.
Yamal is special. He is that special. And I think Spain, Enya, a diamond be also more protected at all costs. Now almost shining home because in the next future, if they want to win the World Cup, if they want to win the Euros again, it is this guy.
Whoa, 11 o'clock on the dot. You call quick commercial break. By a banner, Yababa to us. So the mom. David Akwesi at Shiale was say, boss, I think Spain is preparing another World Cup winners. This Barca case will dominate Europe. Meno by Adrian. Or Yamal on the left, Gavi Pedri in the middle, Dani Omo. Yeah. Yankomra, you could break about.
Than your multi-bet missing. But nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental. Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do the idea and say, you be CC will sing, now your bow will sing by Amawonum, and so at it, and I say, or sing animal yams were for them to my part. If you fix one, no, and I say, you have a permanent one, no, and also you see a untini aim to give, and no, any friend a PFM bridge, and I say PFM crowd. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, India and never be as she says, a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampa, and I the ebo. Oba Gentleman Dental, ye nina be ewo. Gentleman Dental Clinic, ye wo Koforidua Central Police Station and Tianwa. And I would do and kind so ye wo nungwa. And atomic down, domekwa binya runabout on so. And I would do takwa de pipe one, traffic light na ewo pipe one. Ye ne OGN Bank na ne wo the same premises. And I kachima so ye wo magazine market kwana so wa. And I say opposite AY Ahmed. And I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, Total Filling Station wa. Traffic light na enihwe G runabout on. Ufri Total Filling Station na yabron sign na edi ho. Ye adwuma free eda joada popem eda memeda. Witini afreya homa no e wo 055 913 9582.
If I shop na me shade o bag.
Bra ade enen so biem.
What time about me share me see about queen why me say?
Bra, said your time about Mr. Esia Jimmy ni fear for enya dia ba ko pe ebe so ye.
Me dey do this ofani nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time about Mr. Ho dance ya. Riase nyina ebe te me nka. Enti se malaria, where do any time about Mr.
Enya nu ko, die nanu ato a wontumi ani die no. Where do any time about Mr. Edwe enye ma oba wa fa afuro. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Enye akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time about Mr. Edwe bi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo a 3-day malaria bi ansa.
Ayo se time ye TIME. Time about Mr. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no. Ebe tua. Ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do na mu.
FDA agi edwadue nkratoi atom.
Abusaka kraka bi wo hanu meja tom na rewu sebe wo me se abofra keto wanya 2 years akada ba ku nti African Spider-Man bla be abofra keto yi mo na nipa ho hia dede bi ko so no ti kame ho ne ko hwede wo bia yenya ya expectation ka African Spider-Man ba be se bo abofra yi ba preocupe ne hu African Jack wo ba be se bo abofra na wo secret kura no anything Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na dia na ye. Na me yetua na ma won keka e wo fom. Ana police me di one dance share me say menye na me nson hwe. Na me so we no a boosting immune system ama say me train na mente bre. Me timi di kama. Ama won keka wo dum so e koso. Me kura so me ta yale ama mai latitude me nya ba ko. Enye je na koso hwe. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing?
Mo fa me kura chen. Ubenya Imbus Herbal Mixture, our pharmacy, and also herbal shops. A pin for any Kolamundi Fiadumianu, Enom, FDA, Adjigadi Tatui at
Sawope wallpapers, papa, OP wallpapers, and American for mount. Sawope wallpapers, at decorative offices, so fee, and sorry, say ye perhaps ahodo. Baby Bia Wia wallpaper, dear do Juma Biano, OP wallpapers, Efro, Yaman wallpapers, a macho blind curtains, a band of bearside lamps and so OP, MR types, or mark shapes, colors Audonina, Ubenya Biato, Ewana Sueo, say open LED backlight, Eddie above flash screen a chia, and also OP, Ebemobi. Sawope selfie ring lights, Ado phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and a Bema selfie ring light, OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo, GNTC building, first floor, Anna Chronom, our barrier, on the market and a DNM. So open wholesale, and also retail, any OP, any in South. For OP, our 0540 353750.
Mameshe, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw. Yadro say, mani pedian kwamwano enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nomno abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebe jasono wonnoa and the time HH Heba Mr. Edia bejaso akra wonyanya mfrisia dumienu enumbi wopemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso enumbi time HH Heba Mr. Ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedudo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Heba Mr. Yadro say FDA adje adwadie nkratue atum
Obebia wadwuma poten de aduane e free ababa wa ndwuma hodo ho adwene ahye ntrimu ma dikosi dwadifo hemaso ye waba architect quantity surveyor realtor ni business consultant ya wo hwema da yeso bam ene oba tan no a otumi enema bebrebre kromu na otumi hwe na busoni na dwuma so ma bibia kototen entrepreneur na abribia na ni di ni stock achi dikosi oba no your office adwuma otimi close deals abribia no so no cra ye di adwuma sonko adua obabia mu ye that remain in business edi ye hyehyɛ sonko ye de behwa bo adwuma ene adwuma madeda no Eya hyehyɛ ahodo enkabom ne nkitahodie ndwuma webness ya wontua hwee entitiye ne mo ahodo potie wo hia ne de mawo ndwuma madeda no na wo ye Telisa business customers pe na betia beka san hyehyɛ ye ho telisa.com.gh/business na register sia
Telecel, connecting energies.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Winehead. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet safer.
Yes, ye bana ya baby rem e wo fie na ya ma vara said the local stories no and so abarekado e bra no ne mom time e bra me channel aya bomori so be pebi and we e 3D e draw tatashe say malaria e bra ni pedwan na wo hwe na emsa ho yo bisi basasa no pa wo do dum esi no so a na say e wuro e do edru awia wo yo okay bɛsɛ duro nnwuma na saa nneɛma symptoms ne nyinaa san ba bɔmmɔde yɛn nso bɛkɔ akɔpɛ time bɛba mehyɛ no bi anam na wɔto malaria fever sena afei wama honam mmerɛ no nyinaa no nso ase atu time HH ba mehyɛ no ne capsule sɛ no nso ɛna ɛbɛboa ma ɔbaa wase nso ɛbɛbɛ nyam nsuo no egu ɛduru baabi ana kyɛ sɛ mu ayɛ tan na kyɛ sɛ nkra di akyire no ɛno nso ɛbɛgyae ɛna mfɛ meka wo sɛ ɛmɛma no nso nom bi nso aboa wo na ma nsuo no ɛfiri bɛma mu ba no ɛno nso ɛtoɔ atwa no afei mɛma yɔ enso aye kama bema de ozo timi bo adwuma ye menko gyinagyina oba wo mpamu bia na enkokwa fa asem emma pharmaceutical and herbal shops ni nyina mu no aye 0244 417669 Nemperifo no enjoy so Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush any obeso brush your teeth kama we aye household abusuan chemfa Jean's total care Jean's whitening and a Jean's baleno and a jam minty fresh breath wonum a sham wo foul kisses wo foul kisses straight up I say ya homa chen say ya no pass ya wi abia with me 5 cents wonum e sham kama e ba sen ho ban na sa ma ogam no anya ho dema pe ba sa brush tita moja emfrase ya mabiem o brush tita brabia no e pai e tenwan ukoni pamu a wunsuro esanse o confidence level enso e wo soro pebito e wo dwaso Jean's toothpaste and a Jean's toothbrush and some I don't know not just on perform and so akasa obo herbal and medical research center was it brana or more sans more anamukon and the bachelors what dow con some our con ye a 2 any a jubabi so high blood pressure no yane how I come on about peri I was surrounded passer when you see obisiri will not see a tata fee or you'll be a kidney ya game and ever say how and I simple stroke ever say dunya woofa ever say joshua Obo herbal and medical research center kumansia wamom awa duato adomenu omo akra esa wo kaswa ho a chese be bia be kobia no sanso ebetimi aka wonom frɛ 0249761508 womo ana omo de eye precare powder ebe dwas ana odin herbal bitters and so a buyer may buy Ricardo virus on our virus and some a dear shall say na Ricardo be a find oh fancy Yami don't be a boko now Yamina Kita and yes idea gas okay ya boy madam for pa Ricardo Braga Ricardo down for Libya Boga nani okay Sompa Sport and it's a virus on Suska Libya Boga they were no plan so Libya Boga to be ban what 2 spoons by 50 that's nyamia ibi o ba no afana so ba ya woga so last year me ka che nza afi mi ni we oh okay and me na we ne ansa oh okay me na we okay opani na kwanda mana oh yenkwe Mayama ya shefo ene ya tiefo akwa aba emfamra Sompa 93.1 FM na fe Sompa TV so ye tena isi ya neza fisema yensa aka no ene ya debre ya shefo ene ya tiefo akuaku Benjamin Jamfini medin obetimi afren Ricardo Vaz matena se ya media fisem no enso eba na ne yedi nkomo no enso de Fuel Haji Karim Gurus wono ene ya bank roller ene matimo a je fa ne Kemfai sa yedi nkomo enso na so ene started ya say football no politics a woman no enya agro ntienko nyenti nsem a opani a ye final Haji Karim Gruza and tuja about politics a e wo Ghanaian football ni
football enye who me know who can play who can be displayed who can love his country say player who say who penyine no who kwada na who pese wo mu babo ball bi ono player no obi say already we champion ti no bi no bae na ebinom o change na wu pese on ba no won yire no hombo and say for the montenenka adafo from esro football is not politics but this FA wanted politically football on pese o mu ye
eno ane nsamo Alhaji Karim Gurus ade tu just say football na politics nanso omo a chese yem football no hweso de ye politics nkuto eno mo de ye ntima neoma enso enkoye mfama yem football na ne nsemo a ode tu dwa de ma we na no pa enso e wo full time dwumadie ne so wasadi nkomo biem na nkomodie we no e se Kemfai eba back to Ghana yem Premier League na enim say Division 1 na Kemfai abo on coming back no eno so say eno kan
but FA they are showing who is going to relegate. They are controlling some of the referees. Yes.
Jeff and decided to qualify by Premier Division.
Oh, yeah. Make up so many evidence. Okay, football, you say, from young money now, you can't football, me, and can't any that.
No, and someone had Karim Grusa and sorry two janti. So we back to the Ghanaian Premier League, or say FF only decided this is our Banya who ding and I beba in Dino, yan cano crack, this young football no, say say internet and some kakra, or penny edia two jam, the air two and him, ewa to Madiano, so me free a large Karim Grusa, so and I fay Ghana Football Association, Kasama for Henry Asante Chum, Mr. Hart, no, we dink one and come dear no, a coach, I say, or Babefa Black Queens, knife, what me did Juma, Nanama Elswetima Coco ye, and so Edia May, no pania, Jeffrana Kemla, or no, anybody Juma, and I am Black Queens, no pania, your friend, or Henry Asante Chum. Edin komo edafa kemla ho se opanini ba no sei na esi etimiye edemano
Onye Adwuma Africa da, and this will be his first stint in Africa. Nyame Adumo next month Queens Bebo friendly matches. Now they are starting to prepare for Mbano AFCON na Beba so Morocco no. We believe that he has the competence and the capacity to lead the team. Intima say semi ayede yesunsun weni ahoden eta Norwich ebra oba ebe start Volta project no. Papa yeso ba yemfa the same ahoden no ne sunsun no enter na chi sene be ya the way I say Black Queens no edrum so we will be competing for titles no you bet me a dear draw
no and then some more Henry Asante Chum edit two ja FA Kemla no never fire Black Queens no na fe watimi adijuma edaman say head coach na oside din komo biem we no on Kemla and Black Queens games in your ma omo enso ebetimi Henry Asante Chum eside din komo biem
Queens any new coach. I think it is refreshing. Kim is coming in on a 2-year contract. Kim Obia and my football no odimu akotini ye pa. You lose Nora no, there were a lot of halabalu hangover on the FA, but eventually we went through the same process I did Nora by and they came process recommendation and all of the scrutiny near the ana they came aba. Kim is a champion.
No, I am Samoa Henry Asante Chum, Edia to just a Kim, a champion to Obano, nurse a supporter, said the man Yamfamano, na fe ontimi Juma, Emfama, Yam Black Queens, no bia, Entimi Enkoye, Tianan and some Kakra, a free hoba, Yagusu, the Din Como, Edia Fat Ghanaian football, no Pania, your friend Mohammed Polo, who born a Diana as a Ghana for, and so your version of Messi, no matter be a terminal, or no answer, and I say, no say, Yanka say, Chroma, so coach, and yadia easy. So when your opportunity pa, your national teams nibi, you what me a coach, or say, and easy, was so bra, be uncoming for mano, Kim Polo, Edin Como, and so edifa, Sans and Semina, air course, so be coachy, our Ghana.
Some of us, and your footballers in Nana, a basic system, or mobile coaching. The business to happen. Every young man, a minimum chance. A minimum or 1 year chance they couldn't utilize. Some of us will never got the chance. And when we are talking about legends in football, Ghana football, that's why I say Abobo, nobody saw it fit to say you a chance at the national level. Nobody saw it, and nobody advocated for it. Nobody, gave it the chance. Obiani up to date.
Then someone Mohammed Polo the two just said Besine obi anywhere or campaign ma or no say o me coach and national teams ni bi na bibia ntimi ko yim fama national teams ntia no Polo someone or the etu ja no sadi komo bi the fa Blasters no say hey Blasters pa and ye kwako bo AFCON say Blasters and qualify dabi dia no and asefem someone Mohammed Polo and the two ja the fa Blasters no say eno kan no
again it's unprecedented. Such a qualification at a point in time, footballer are developing, to the highest level where Ghana have got World Cup. Think about 4 times also. And the AFCON shouldn't have been a missing link, but it has happened. Unfortunately, we are not, working very, very hard. We think everything is, it doesn't happen that way. I am saying, as some way, started and knocking and in there.
No, and then someone Mohammed Polo the two just said, I dear we such as a boy of Pneumonia, Yatna, why, imagine is what my boy Ramo to say a barber tree unprecedented. Say I'm to me qualified for AFCON, and then some opening edit two. General Sadi Kumobian Reno, under 26 or senior who here. see this care to work mom na da chimo wa beji say see am no keto say boys na bobo anya sika twitwiri die nti we na be omo dan ubebo obi abaso a emprempren ho a fa ne sika ma no ehu hia so this kind betu ba bia Mohammed Polo.
I don't know who brought this idea say young for sika in shima. I don't know who brought that. So the one generation, everything with this generation. The war obi ya bibia o say here you want to reward him instantly. Na wa jina dia adiko. Nkola we even sika ye di 200 they don't need it now. They don't need it. At the time when we need na say yema we go win give it to them. See how we nkola we grow ball at the highest level and make money. They don't need this money. Matter, but it's going to bring some problem. One nkola no air cast him because they've grown up. They've grown up. And they are saying that what they did to them was not right. What is it? Now what they want to do with it, they would have done with it. They see how they've grown up. They want to play football and make millions of what is this money? Yes, they don't have parents. Don't these children have families? Give it to them to do whatever for them to continue their exploit, their football.
And then someone Mohammed Polo the two name of Canada. Boys need be here because no man than 10 in farm said you see who no the boys need here sikana sikadie Keltuabia ensu enim yem free Mohammed Polo and send him near nin komo e wo player ba kwa no see akan 120 na so ye Daniel Ado odin komo ensu e dia fa blaster na blasters ni say no said ye city no Daniel so hepa na mi say na sia fem say ya pa manfo a che wo ze den yo no be see akan ensu atimi na blasters no Daniel Ado edin komo say
let's say Ghana Bomasi. Now, a good national team, let me keep players in Kwana Maria Kwahwamo. I'm telling you, you and the Bian, we come about Yago, so we don't need to consider some national team. Let me be honest. To me, that we have Ghana match, let me use it. In fact, I'm a boy. I have a raho. The Sibos, you know, we need the Sabon as a Yapo match once and another group. So need to mention. And those say Asian, Blasters, Asian, Sudan, entirely Stephen Apia, John Painter, what former beats with your national time. I heard the feeling. What you need to be saying, TV, we show those days, we show the moon, we show you and say yes. No, we must say no, we percentage maybe. But unless the making, so be able to look at farm and what they want, the echo.
Oh, and someone Daniel Ado, Edu to Charles Taylor. A former player, Edema Santi Kotoko, a former player, Edema Accra House of Folk. Opening say, on to mean coach you Ghana. Na dentia on to mean coach you Ghana say, players name Yadi, Omini born a bo. O call my Samsano Mamuna. Into a resa crew, be to one the coach no crade, on to mean coach you Ghana. Chastela, Edin Comani say.
I may coach in the meeting coach Ghana football. Born or more for meeting coach because, and after that, I can. The one here, the tone, oh, player no on your good back as I say or I and why. Never players need to know when you have because me I'm the coach in the better film. To make sure say as a woman ya has every hand on 7 over. This in America can me win them because Ghanaian players now all to see another. It's difficult to my coach. Last time I got
and the other 7 more Chastela did to do as blasters now to me coach because players need Yadi. O ko masem so mesam na to no pass Ghana has o coaching o se da binyade obo no enso betimi coach no din ko mo de fa Sande Kotoko na ne has of go se teams yi mienu ye teams akese ne so enkakra o mo ye abie teams enketwa
if you are your second division boy any third division go at 2 players every has and Kotoko because at times no and yes money and kind of friends o say but the one has me a big team, but it's your man, a woman, a lower it's a general ball of the match and a half match. Because when you say, or call if you are lion, or which one you player, our your quality, I say will be a boy has a book. Tanya man out there, I want to never be as a group of car, I want to say.
And no one some more Chastela. And so at 2 dry home some at me call name my branch of do jamfi esia kan de ma Legon cities or see a card de normal team bia de obi aka nti we de en sheda nya de bia nti nya no ntina no lose but in pedifo ache wo adu jamfi edin komo
I believe in the beginning na man ko yi ni ade no na management na fine said na e ka 1-2 video na said the normal year, but and then she say, "Nay, you can't almost know my being said no almost because I think the almost 2 year might be, you know, I think so much share 1 or 2 things be a day year at 2 year, in our said the Yasre and Sakoya, Ghana Premier League, said the teams in Ghana, the Biadi, Biaka, and ye.
Ɔno Jamfiri tu ja wɔsɛ Ghana ha no Premier League teams no team bi no bia do biaka nsɛm a ɛyɛ normal ne nsɛm ɔde tu ja but ma me wura mu wɔ Dubai na menwehye me bra pani happy birthday Godfred Akio Konsapon ne ɛne birthday so bia nya sa nipa no mienu wɔ na busuma busuma ne bɛsesa ti me bra ma menwehye ne happy birthday na menwehye birthday yi do wɔn sɛ so ma ade ne su
nipa no di ne birthday no sa ma ade ne su
sɛ ba bi ɔte ne bia mtene mu a na ne kakra
na sa so man for send ko da
na wonim omo send ko but ono no de ne ba
wo de ba yi so send ko YouTube de na no YouTube na no onyu sika YouTube na no ya varas onyu sika
send ba e be boa
varas o ka be
birthday o aha
bisere mu bisa Ransford no birthday party ofia
dabi
why
Ransford
dabi
na me ba kra me hu birthday party da
onye birthday onye birthday ade
sa record no Jesus me ana message na match
Ransford ala
me birthday match message record because me buy me who's go be at the birthday
ba obedi
na me ya bisa match uni me won Wo Kulun Ghana Limited one more and a day a year nupano and so abadwa so aye China for no bina no mo ha ma eno anoma kamom di aye nro enu e ba ya chepa nunti se obusa bon so mo madi kanu bi da be dia dance ya che wo se wo mu no no aye kama omo de hyunchu capsules aba ana fe Mr. Q ni mienu nyina no eye memedro se wo ye bema na onya ne mienu a ebeboa wo esanse prostate enlargement obo ho ban wo dwonso na oti pains oti yaw obema mutimi show ni nyina na ebekọ ana dwonso yaw ni nyina so ase ebetu ne mpo so waye mre ewo mpam wo slow erection ewo premature ejaculation eye ni na chese ho asane wa bomone yan so obekọ akope eye hunchu capsules ane Mr. Q ni bi na fe wabobo bi kama oba wo de eye Araba Bazen tablet and menstrual pains and menstrual cramps and more menstrual disorders in no also when you be na obosumen so you my neat na fe aside fine and so amount maybe a ton to be our crowd and so ebe count here 0244 275429 Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited. Omo ma roofing sheet and roofing materials. Ama the about dinos enfedi. A chese kalane empopo. A chese empro and raste. And a heating soon to me madam. Nyeshe when a gia. A sound to covium. A baby out dem en all da with me dafili into IBR self-lock standard sheet and a €0,000 no obacall Joy Cam. Almost ever be our biano. One ma be a free estimate and some amount. One more soccer man and pami. Omni police station no and so a D and me share a 0540 125816 now on a Joy Camp and so enkasa meza
fancy interesting Ghana Black Stars and yeah tete stories I think say the FA is here to officially come out and come and give us a clear indication say John Pencil and the other assistant of the Black Stars team, say, there are a lot of questions people are asking when it comes to that. Say the international team, you failed to qualify for a major competition such like the AFCON since 2004, 20 years now. We are sacrificing assistant coaches for the main coach. Say on there are a lot of questions I want to ask when it comes to this particular said matter. If it is true, said the FA ebe release this statement that these two people the first question I may be so money is before I appoint you on Mabano, na one recommendation. Before I sign a bear appointee or Mumi Nuninano, nay a wine a recommendation. They are tossing even if say Obi recommended or more. Omo credentials and net is na muji 2 years so omu yo bia omu ni otu ado ye adwuma otu ado beti omo asema na fancy how do we move from Didi drama anymore and omo ye backroom staff e de ma otu ado ni shooting mo to qualify us to the World Cup and drop to the standard of John Pencil? No disrespect to John Pencil in terms of in the football career. No disrespect to John Pencil when it comes to the coaching career. But yes, I am fortunate. Fancy Di Maria, EBDPH. They be near. Mete news we say 2 months ago, ahaya na mete. Ana nipa kro ne frɛ me na me PA, we were talking about Black Stars and the person told me say, what is your John Pace be in a few one assistant coach back no. Let me say mo no commodity be and fancy. The issue is the players don't even like the two assistants. And the communication between the assistants and Otuado so no gabu. It omu impact bia.
Na Otunedi can recommend you one.
But the case here is only Otune recommend you. It was a consultation, a joint decision to appoint them. A joint decision to appoint them. And I asked myself, say, fancy, I don't know nobody will be accountable for whatever that has happened. Nobody will be responsible for whatever that has happened. Me no, me to me say baby I FNA so be take decision be na moya. That person also needs to be sacrificed to ensure proper accountability. Now you focus me now what the World Cup is you know all the attention about you study you go the World Cup but if the thing is not going to work, don't force it. See no baby agent say no money to the contract no. A woman say 1 unqualified for the World Cup, 2 unqualified for the African Cup of Nations. Already we're failing back. I don't know how they are going to do their next appointment when it comes to who is going to be the assistant coach of the Black Stars. If it is going to be in consultation with Otuado, and our Otuado recommendation here, meaning say the probability say you are qualified for World Cup, and you best as well saki or munina saki assistant na kan one year day. So if the assistants are going to come from Otuado, omuye 2, 3, Otuado won't near your mobile fancy. It is a risk we are taking again, which in the near future, you bet must have a back, abe bite your fingers. Because anya juma, yes, Saki Otuadwa, almost be come. Boss say a jumana and queen now opame assistant coaches. We don't even sack assistant coaches, meaning say Otuado no, omuye tied. Me medical catch say a power play and egocentric decisions. And omo take you wherever you want. The power play and egocentric decisions in the FF1 need 2 years recruiting, not a government appointment. Any media men. Already the government had proposed Kwesi Appiah to them, which we both we know. Fast we know. But another man omoko fa recruiting by the kind of treatment recruiting ko at the hands of some of the FM penifoni bini FA now for bino. We saw the kind of things omo to go media so. We saw it yen na ye twa bi ehu yi. But no nkoda. Now this is the time the government gave an FA the choice to appoint someone. Omo nkasa criteria no kwan ye de to ado ho an okra ni nyame anim nie. Fancy na nu kwan so mo fa. But mo fa de aba. So we all need to accept he's the Ghana coach. We need to support him. By say enim guasie beba pa ma na affect omo egos. Any baby omo gina say no to accept said the choice they made was bad when it comes to Otuado no. They are not going to do that. But rather they will sacrifice another set of people to go in and come. But as in his contract, as you saw, also bet him qualify for the World Cup. It is important to understand. Say fancy. Yenshe said your name obesity ako. Yenshe the way omoba reacte. Ama nyoma. See when the assistants near appointed for fra. Nyoma betimi ako. Fancy. Odu eno no koto nchen ya. Yenshe Legon City since sem na ekokoso no. Me no Mike, I don't encourage clubs are more pretty at the Ghana Premier League level. Are more far akatria yentria players in normal. Adiam chini kura no.
E ba na se no obi do obi ka be normal. Abeye
normal within your terrain which is totally unacceptable.
Na me come dimia o se bre adwuma.
Which is totally unacceptable. You call it the Ghana Premier League and you assume, not even assume, Mike, at that level, per Ghana a football, a professional football. It is a bit more professional football, meaning say a Juma wa fast in a professional way, you send could be 2 officer, Ube Triana come and Tibian. You need to be paying them. It did not start now. Coach Maxwell could not do baby, I will be an Ebobo Munia Dawasi. Nia Casa Wakume, then pass out to me as Juma Legon cities. Because a new man, Coach Maxwell could not do fair more Legon cities needing the players. No. At a point in time, Maxwell could not do now also upon the players, natural semester training. No, Obibano Niska, Maxwell could not do to the bottom, no, Yiska, they are. This is a Ghana Premier League team.
No, they J points amount.
No, the J points amount. This is a Ghana Premier League team. And I said, be Oba, no, the Oba ya hunintino, Obiasu expectations is cow. Because Oba and Bass, Oko Stadium, cars do any Ukrainians and your cars ketwa. Omo better Tarahun, artist Bas Stadium. And Ghana phone in our boy Abasu said, you are changing the face of Ghana football. First, we all agree because we felt to say it was becoming dull. Now say I boring kakra. But you introduce a certain part of the Ghana Premier League games to Ghanaians. So Obi Abe enjoy no be Oba Stadium because Oba Stadium Obenya Shatawale performing. Oba Stadium Obo say when DC performing. Oba Stadium Obo say and even more background na kwana mo fast to the Real Stadium no kwana ye obi fe. Ana mo be fast Samuel Jan, Elvis Opoku, Nicholas Jan. Boys we mu nyina mo de mo be good team no, you give them proper apartment. Your money their condition mu sorry and proper training be enjoy. I know say abrabo bibi a wa hyase bia wa wiye. It could be say you started on a good note but you be aye dey at the above form. But a certain standard like paying salaries shouldn't be a matter as it stands when you are a Ghana Premier League team. And say untimi ntria na untimi mo a any team no gu no. We yenyina no ye ne mo share idea say emu ade de mamo but me say me Ghana Premier League teams me who mo bo PM mo ni CEOs ye who mo bo PM.
Oh are they?
Fancy. They can't even speak up for themselves when there is an issue. Because we are not now necessarily League Ayebo your headline sponsor. League Ayebo TV right in it to say. League Ayebo is ikaseme woman apart from so uwini and say na abenyano. Kakranga kra be fe chira ba seed money no dia. Obian ka say to any see the GFA president so anakoy there be yenkasa asem no. You can make legitimate concerns. But when people are even making legitimate concerns, these our own Ghana Premier League clubs in the Kwanamu Philly say no, there's no problem. When there's no problem and you are suffering, you keep on suffering. But according in our bad, the answer she and I saw me about become once and say, eh, be a one you are be a day. It would team be your head, obo. Fancy they be a FSA when you are Bema Ghana Premier League club. Now, Afibia Bronya Krasukra went to me and Yako and Franco fee. New Ghana Premier League. On my mini Ghana Premier League, go team, Boligo cities. Mini Ghana Premier League, go team, I feel better in Sapine. And then yes, things must change. I'm say position and Kasano, who ma Subanko, free ma Subanko.
Ah, unim. Obeso hunipa, the true colors of a human being. Man pa, and you 1, 2, man sikankan.
Me papa alaji. As every world walker krala.
Sompa Sports.
Since when alaji realizes say won't click bi ho yem promote for Ghana Premier League. You see, some of these things we should stop it. It is high time as annual man and you can see so be. Fancy, let your performance speak.
Okay.
Or no large goose around the castle one edina center lab or short shegua refia castle on yeda. Football the mafia. No, football mafia will work on your team. Work on your because Alaji, I will be very honest with you. Okan will be in a team to call relegation. You see, put structures in place and then you might be a some way. Club no players no more no coaches no more bano. You see, can face at top pay the Premier League about first one of the Premier League in the last 2 seasons. E go really say. Decision making. My
member Mike na member be family course no see Mike.
Fancy, mame and started with Akomia's take on the Legon City's issue. I think that there is a broader conversation to this. Watch a key football terrain now. A terrain where dominated by one-man clubs. And a club will be a nipa back could be in any more DNMs on a running. I'm not saying that it's wrong. But your is for the SC in time past in T, there needs to be guidelines. The Inter-America Sani said, Legon Cities, we saw them. Just as Akomia highlighted, the good days.
Charlie,
they came with a air pump and pageantry. The bars around Legon City is not so positive. Then they became like the rich kid in the new neighborhood. I said neighbors in a Amuwa maybe a young fan say a plush establishment. Maybe say East Legon. Sikafu kukudam ne wo. Na monya obi a wabet na ofofro wa chem say scan dem wo bi ba me a different level ntiniomo ye no e bro adwene nti ase so aya wo be ye sa de we ni na adeɛ a yɛntumi nyɛ no wɔ ɔman wei mu ne yɛnyɛ no yie na yɛmmienu. Maintenance and sustenance. Maintenance ne CSCC adan ne other deficits na kwan yɛfa so bɔ ho ban. Even in the sports sector, you can't sports infrastructure kwan yɛfa so yɛbɔ ho ban. A issue. Sustenance. Say ye 2 year who was a bob rabbi. A brano see yen to mean twaso mobran and twaso because yam fad drinning and fan to a car say dear miss me pesa me young one could be a bit maybe. But a year. Sir, the corona of pesa wayan, wo ya not what was now being young fast a free mo. So maintenance and sustenance a big issue our my way. And in the case of Legon cities, there was no clear sustenance plan. And it's a me yi wana. I dream ben a media tones as a wana me yi dia kohano. That should be the edible free ma bremini. A bit me a mama to us what was so one nessa. And then the dear drew baby a dream. But you see, you know this. You don't blame the clubs. You blame the regulators. Football Ghana, the regulators of the football the Ghana Football Association. Again, league na yebono, yawo mra ya the ball league no. Why man asise brand the GFA? I think emrene drew. Say efa ye sikasem ho ntotoye. Ye de sa mra no, ye hyemu kena na ye didi dwuma ewo ye football mo. And I say this because this won't happen in any well-regulated league. Europe. If you do this, especially in the UK, yes, of course, the administration. If you fail to pay your players for a considerable period of time, now you shall see club. If your financial books are not healthy,
yes,
you're very liquidate you. You're
liquidation street.
Exactly. We need to start practicing such in our game. One, your clubs in Sikasem. If RTU yes certified and say ni sikasem ne nto to ye okay na RTU ball league na do stage no to mean to your players ka and also offer different set of players they omotina bas mo kokobo game against dreams it speaks ill of how we financially monitor and check our clubs for best practices. The kind of say na dey we have the financial guarantees clubs no mo boy Premier League no Obia was a financial guaranteed amount at that. Inti yesi weighing the value. And it's a water. So if the threshold near £1 billion and now £500 million club will be also Premier League no. And it's a we seek our or reserves ni bibiano a year below £500 million. So my the say no maybe name more dear any better so I the best solving your man. We basically have clubs who have offered close to zero financial guarantees. Enti sikasem no ebetimi achia perennially like your clubs are perennially yenimse o musikasem onye every year be Legon City is your first time. Yakomia went as far back to mention Maswell Kunedu. Maswell Kunedu ja Legon City so Andrew 3 seasons. Exactly the point. So yenimomo say every year be out to you if they are having financial issues and yet the first of it and it won't be the last of it. Only my crontia. Yenim that almost every year they have financial issues. And these clubs, if you are they come with a certain good motive. But one club person and now one man clubs, I am not there and say if the vision bearer dies or perishes, it come a year the whole club. Like the issue of Karela. It is a financial regulations and the clubs to 2 years and they put proper checks and balances on how they financially conduct themselves. In terms to 2 music same year and create problems. And so I idea back I was here my and it is one way of trying to solve this issue of yentua players because your club now Ghana Premier League now. Ya share the amount say usika semu no o financial we guarantee abema no 2 million Ghana cedis 20 million Ghana cedis enti sa 20 million Ghana cedis ne wo honko ade a then you should be in a position to pay your players promptly. Then you best also check your books every year. If a financial way in year juma near the FFP at all, so and you been a war abroad. Yes, a club will be a financial way in this year, and it's all Boca Drew stage be. And to see a check clubs nessa finds on by your money on my year. A warm set clubs in Niska, but they waste money on your man here. Sika kane wono. They are not putting it to good use. A warm so muniska. But sika na wo hone a bre was so mode bono. Obi to me prioritize it, trying to pay referees, pay officials at the expense of paying the coaches and players. It is an issue. See a check usika sema, ni e says cannot be far or be far. You bet me at Tracy and it can even help us. See a bit me check against corruption and other corrupt practices. Sika Ghana football so we any year when Division 2 teams right to dream money how they are running. And yet the same Ghana football space. At the same Ghana football space. But what they are doing and doing right and say, or more year new men here. Yen year the no one, or more year the fatter. And most will go the extreme of spending excessive amounts of money just for 3 points. Right to dream, or more operators are. Accra Lions, but they don't operate in that manner. And they are thriving. Tiemaye ni kohun, yet to turn your maye. Nasi kasem no FNF fee ni. Eshe clubs no musi kasem hu jumedia. Ebebwa metime senior bebre say ano. Again, Charles Taylor. You see, there are two versions of football. So Bobo ni be as a player, a good pan, but it ends there. The moment you retire, it does not guarantee say you'll be an expert in every other branch of football. No, you have a difference in being a good footballer, a successful footballer, and then there is a difference in life after football. So you prepare for life after football.
Sompa Sports.
And you no credit that still. Life after football. So one says if you want to be a football administrator, if you want to be a coach, even a referee or whatsoever, life after football. So one prepare for such a untuminye. So Chastela, you are not a good coach. Chastela is not a good coach.
I said Black Stars now, proud.
He is not a good coach. You can't a good player again. Dia wo betre e wo park so anameboa. You can't a good coach again. Dia wo betre e wo park so. And coaching, what is coaching? You don't need perfect players. You don't need best players in order to coach. Coaching is one of a way of wings of coaching. And I say, dear wa komiemu no, one. But met me at net and Ramasa one no me ko fancy dear one trea. You bet me dear baby. So you coach a team. You are coaching players though, but you are coaching a team to achieve a certain set objective. And you bet me about say team you know money but your coaching will be able to help them achieve certain results. And unti and a football won't say your club will be your country be or your mino. But proper coaching to me pay your more performance and more to me your moye. Typical examples. France in 2002 against Senegal. We saw the upset. And to say BB say in football moi ke ye nya upset, ye nya surprise packages, ye nya sadi no game nim. So for Chastela to assert say omon boboni no munimmo enti no coach ya oboa.
Oh,
a populist statement, a nsema ye ka ni edi ho nkomo, but sebe enye nsemu aye no kra. He is not a coach. He's a good player, he's a legend. But it ends coach. There. He's Mate, no coach. He should stop talking plenty.
Well, you have a fat course no here live or Sompa TV about Daruma. You have a so mute the volume on your TV set. And so amame. In Bustaba Mr. Police ni Edro, a police ni Edro. I will be in Madrid power bonnet 20 minutes later. Now what did I know your breakfast? We are what did we are 20 minutes later and one and you do and one Nina no a Bustaba Mr. Police ni Edro ni come for